Even though I've driven some badass cars, Indy Lights, you know, GC cars, whatever, I never driven a car with 1,000 horsepower, so that's going to be exciting. And also we have Pierre, he's also going to drive. He has a lot more experience in drifting, so in terms of a setup and mechanical feel, we're definitely going to lean on his experience.
Yeah, it's French TV, TF1.
What's up guys, so today is warm up for the Mercedes. I'm gonna drive it a couple laps before Nikita just to check everything, see if the settings are good. Warming up the car, and after Nikita is gonna full send it, brother.
Tables have turned.
The belt and lost power steering. I think it also damaged the harness a little bit, but it sounds like we can fix it, so that's good. Oh my god, man, it's crazy. I mean, the power, the torque, it's like out of this world, like nothing compares. But at the same time, compared to other stuff that I drove, there's like no grip, so you have to be ready. Like you have to be so much more ahead of the car, be ready to steer and catch it and know what you're doing. I feel like we finished with some pretty shot tires in the back, so the grip wasn't really there. But yeah, I mean, fucking amazing.
Bro, you shred it all the way, and I see a lot of change from the first lap to the last one, so that's very good.
Yeah, for sure. The confidence in sending and feeling the power and topping the fourth gear. This car is a monster. We just need to fine tune it now.
All right, cool, bro.
All right, bro. See you next week.
Yep.